The scheduling, the dispatching, the tracking of the system, seeing the arrival time, the e-tickets, that is just a key component that just helps everyday life, where before you're trying to keep up with paper and pen, right? With that aspect and with that platform has given us a whole nother avenue that's been able to eliminate so much of the waste, and then being able to utilize those people in a different atmosphere that's even making AME stronger.
It's helped us on our side with actually retaining the information and being able to utilize it in a productive way versus it just being scattered out, having to call on project managers, having to call on the operators to get information that's all there. We have it one place, and it really makes my life easy to be able to just go in there with a click of a button and find what I need and run my report.
I'm Ashley Butler, the COO.
Joshua Barnes, Business Development Manager. AME, we're an industrial contractor. We do crane, rigging, millwright, optical alignment, and precision concrete. We have 4 locations. We travel all over the U.S. with our millwright, rigging, and optical alignment team, and our precision concrete team. We have an innovative solution to complex problems. I mean, and that's we stand on that. We don't just come in and say, "Oh, here's your bid, here's your quote." We work through the process with the customer, and even if we don't get the job, we always make sure we tell them, "Hey, we didn't get the job. Just make sure this doesn't get left out." We always like to be a part of their team and support them, even if we don't get the work.
It's family. That's why they've been in business for 65 years. Competition is strong. The market's changing. The economics changing, as you can see daily. There's so many variables that can play if you don't have this key component to run your business. Foundation is also a part of what we work with for the financial side. So going in, we knew that we needed something that would work along that platform, and Visual Dispatch was the one that they chose. Then the other piece of that is just the quoting and saying what quotes are open, what are closed, what is our sales cycle, what do we need to do better, why did we lose this job, and staying more efficient. So Visual has definitely been able to change the way AME is being able to move and be able to grow in the technology.
Just having it all in one spot and organized where you can actually get to it and utilize it. So a lot of times you're scrambling to find that data, you're scrambling to find that information, and here it's right there. That gives us the ability to support our customers even better.
It's also easy for the guys out on the field to, no matter where they are, we can see that they're getting ready to be done with the job. Immediately they're turning around to a different job, what's ever coming this way, and they immediately have their e-ticket. It's good for the customers because they can break down and see the line item as well, sign off on their work order. We can immediately email it to them. It also helps with the financial for us on the administrative team to exactly see, okay, how many people have been out utilizing the cranes? What is my billable hours? What's the non-billable hours? So it's all just been a game changer.
The data has been a real game changer.
Every time that I've spoken to Renee, he has definitely given me an aspect or a different perspective to see something and be able to change on our end of how we're doing things, and that's a team. So that's not just a family within our own group, it's accepting you into our family, and you're helping us grow as well. We want that family atmosphere because Jeff Campbell has been in 65 years, and that's what he wants to be dispersed. And so y'all are giving us the ability to keep that legacy going.